In this video, I will show you how to auto-fit cells in Microsoft Excel. Follow the steps and do it with me. You will never forget this. When you type something on Excel, you have to manually adjust the cells if you don't know the process. I will show you the process. It's very easy. First, right-click on the sheet, then click on the View Code option from the dialog box. Then select Worksheet, type Cells. Entire column .autofit and close the tab. Now write anything in Excel spreadsheet. It will automatically adjust the cell. Subscribe if you like the video.